If you are setting up a new account, click Create an Account on the bottom left of the white box. You will be taken to a new page. On this page, fill in the email address listed on your account with us, the phone number listed on your account with us, any one of your policy numbers. Then hit Create Account. This will take you to a new page for you to input the verification code that was sent to the email you provided on the previous page. You will be taken to a new page. On this page, fill in the username you would like to use at login, the password you would like to use at login, retype the password you chose to make sure it is typed correctly. Then hit Login. Welcome to FBanytime, where you are able to request a certificate, report a claim, or pay your bill. You also have the ability to ask a question regarding your insurance or FBanytime, and check out our latest blogs, or connect with us on social media for our latest agency news and updates. Best practices. Remember, these credentials protect your personal information. Please store your credentials in a secure area and do not leave them out or around at any time. Log off after every time you are finished using FBanytime, or walk away from your computer. You can do this by clicking Log Off in the upper right-hand corner of your profile page. If you have a question about using FBanytime or encounter an error, please reach out to our team at anytime@FBinsure.com or 800-734-6604, where we are happy to help.